Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals for gradual and sustainable weight loss. 1. Balanced diet. Maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. 2. Portion control. Control the portions of your meals to avoid overeating and consuming excess calories. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and control hunger. 4. Limit sugary and processed foods. Restrict your consumption of sugary foods and processed products, as they often contain empty calories. 5. Regular exercise. Incorporate regular exercise into your daily routine to increase caloric expenditure and improve overall health. 6. Monitor your intake. Keep a food diary to track your eating habits and be aware of your choices. 7. Get enough sleep. Make sure you get enough sleep, as lack of sleep can lead to increased food cravings. 8. Reduce stress. Find ways to manage stress as it can lead to overeating. Meditation and exercise are good options. 9. Seek professional advice. It is advisable to consult a health professional before making major diet or lifestyle changes, especially in such a short period of time. 10. Remember that healthy weight loss is generally considered to be between 0.5 and 1 kilogram per week, so losing a significant amount of weight in just 10 days may not be safe or sustainable. Instead of focusing on a short-term goal, look for long-term changes to improve your overall health and well-being.